In this video, you will learn how to fix Hang On checkout page on Woocommerce. Follow these simple steps. Go to Woocommerce, then go to Settings and Payment. Ensure that all the payment methods are enabled. If the payment methods are disabled, simply click Enable. After that, check for payment method restrictions. Some payment methods may be restricted based on shipping method or countries. Go to Woocommerce, Settings, then Shipping to check if the shipping method match with your payment gateway restrictions. Also, ensure that Woocommerce is fully updated, because if it is out of date, it will malfunction. Go to Dashboard, Updates, and ensure Woocommerce is updated. Sometimes, deactivate conflicting plugins. Other plugins can conflict with payment gateways, so go to Plugins, Install Plugins, and deactivate any recently installed plugins. Check the payment method appears, and if it does, reactivate the plugins one by one to identify the conflict. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.